Pump that irony. Thumbnail. Ooh, this is like interview style. Yo! What's up, bro? You guys came back to the channel. Dedicatedly came back to the channel because I've been MIA for a little bit. I've been like out of the loop. I don't say it enough, but like I appreciate you guys so much. Everybody that likes the video, that leaves a comment, obviously the subscribers, but like even the ones you guys don't see, like I might post on Facebook and I might get a comment. Just like the littlest things are just so appreciative. I'm really appreciative of you guys and thank you. Super excited to be back vlogging again. I've been making videos, but like I haven't really been able to make a vlog for myself. It's like client work has picked up so much. But yeah, dude, I'm back at it. I got like this sick interview set up right now. Like, it's pretty legit, right? It's pretty legit over here in Keener House, baby. Pretty legit. Yeah, man, so I've been off the interwebs for a little bit. Just been hanging out, living in the moment. Haven't been taking my camera around with me. I guess mainly another reason too is because I've been doing a lot of flying and like, I'm just doing like carry-on only, no check bags and no personal item. Let me do that over. I've been doing a lot of flying lately and I just been doing like personal item. Like I don't want to pay for a carry-on or a check bag. So I just bring like a backpack. I've been backpacking. I put together this short little video, kind of like summarizes like my past like few weeks, how I've just been hanging out, chilling, doing a lot of adventuring, just doing new stuff. Like I came up with this quote in my head the other day. It's like, I'd rather have less so I can do more. And like, if I think about it, like that's so true. That applies to me so well. Like, I don't really care about like what I have. I'd rather just like go do new things and have fun experiences. So that's kind of what I've been doing. But anyways, I'm back on the vlog, back on the channel. I'm excited to like update you guys and to keep you guys in the loop. But yeah, just enjoy this little video I put together and more vlogs are on the way. I got a good idea. Like I got like direction with my vlogs now. Like I know what I want to do. So it should be sick.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
It's your vlog. Tell me what's going on today. What are you doing?
Floating down the Muskegon River. Good old Michigan. Been pretty good besides your little wipeout you had earlier. Besides a few trees and rocks we've had to dodge.
Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey,
That's a good shot. Yeah, you're the shot.
I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my.
Okay.
Walk here. Are you doing live?
Losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make you promises to get into your head. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away.
Are you videoing me?
Back in Tennessee, I've been away for a little bit. You know, been in the air, flying, traveling. It is 12:49 on a Saturday, and we're about to go to Nashville. Should be fun.
Oh, for your first lesson?
It's like my second time paddleboarding. It's super nice actually. Just me and the lady out here on the river, on the lake actually, because I don't really do rivers. Just paddleboarding. It's nice.